Hello, my dear customer. Welcome to my studio. Today, I just want to introduce our hot sale, the tool holder. As you can see, this is our customer order, the CNC tool holders. This is the samples for sure. Please have a look at this. This one is the SK40, FMB 40. The size is 60. Please have a look at it. You can see this is the FMB. So this one is also the SK40. Please have a look. This series is the MTA tool. The size is also the 60. Please have a look at this. This one is also the SK40 series. This board is for the ER32. Please have a look at it. This one is very classic. Also installed the Collets. This one is the SK40. The collection is the SLN 08, the 63. This is the smaller one. Please come look at this. This one is the BT40. As you can see, most of the CNC tools use the BT40. The size is the ER32. The overall length is 150. Please have a look at it. This one is very popular and also widely used in CNC machining. So next one is our BT40, the SLN 16. The length is 75. Please have a look at it. This one is the solid fiction. This one is the BT40 and is for the FMB 22. The length is 60. Please have a look at it. So if you're also looking for the tool holder, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.